Hi guys, so the question which we are going to do today is minimize inversion. You are given two permutation A and B of length n. Permutation is an array of n element from 1 to n where all the elements are distinct. For example, an array 1 to underscore bracket 2 1 3 is a permutation, but 0 1 or 1 3 1 is aren't. You can choose two indices I and j, then swap a at index I and a at index j. Same goes with b, I, bj simultaneously. You hate inversion, okay? So you want to minimize the total number of inversion in both permutation, okay? An inversion is the permutation in permutation p is a pair indices I and j such that I is less than j, p index greater than p index j. For example, p is equal to under square bracket 3 1 4 2 5. Then there are three inversions in it. Pair of indices are 1 2 1 4 and 3 4. These all are the indices. We have to find the least possible number of inversions inside this array a and b. Okay, how we are going to do that? So let's write the code. I hope the code is okay. So let's declare. I'm quite sick of this lazy Vim. I will change this Vim editor to maybe Lunar Vim or NVChat, something like that. Yeah, so after that what we are going to do, no, there is vector int comma int, okay, pair p length of what n, okay. Let's int I 0 I is less than n, I increment c pi, okay. But first remember that part, okay. Then okay, then what we are going to do, I've taken the first input, let's short it, short p dot short, begin dot p dot end, okay. After that what we are going to do, for and I is equal to 0 I is less than n, I increment it would be something like, come on man, pi and okay, then I is equal to n minus 1, that's cool. After that something like let's copy this, paste, okay. There are mistakes in the code, should be second, okay. After that pi minus 1, okay. But here is also a catch, it should be first, yeah, it should be second, okay. So yeah, that's it. That's the basic code. Let's run it. Come on. Let's run it. So yeah, it executed very perfectly. Now execute this code. 13312 it's correct. Let's now run the test cases. All are correct, as you can see. So yeah guys, that's it for now. If you have any doubt, write down in the comment section. I will definitely try to reply all your queries. So yeah, thank you for watching.